Hello, today we will guide you through how to log in to Bitrix24. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through a clear, simple process so you can access your workspace without any confusion. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Bitrix24 website at bitrix24.com. Take a quick look at the address bar to make sure you're on the correct site before proceeding. You should see the Bitrix24 homepage with information about CRM, tasks, meetings, and more. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen for the Login button. On a smaller screen or a mobile device, it may be inside a menu icon, so tap the menu if you don't see it right away. If your browser is zoomed in, you might need to zoom out slightly to reveal the button. Click Login to open the authorization page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the email address or phone number that's associated with your Bitrix24 account. Type it carefully and use the same contact detail your organization used to invite or register you. After you've entered your information, follow the on-screen prompts to continue. If your organization uses verification, you may be asked to confirm your identity as part of the normal login flow. If you prefer not to enter an email or phone, choose other login options. This is helpful if your company enables single sign-on. From the available choices, select Google to sign in with your Google account. A familiar Google window will appear. Complete the sign-in there. If you're asked to review permissions, confirm them to proceed. When you're finished, you'll be returned to Bitrix24. After authentication, you may see a list of portals associated with your account. This is normal when you have access to multiple workspaces. Select the one you want and click Login to enter. If you only have one portal, you might be taken to it automatically. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure you're using the correct email or phone number linked to your account and keep your credentials secure. If the Login button doesn't appear, try refreshing the page or checking your browser's zoom level. And if you run into access issues, your workspace administrator can confirm the correct login method for your organization. That's it. You've navigated to the Bitrix24 website, found the Login button, chosen the sign-in method that works for you, and completed login to your portal. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time in Bitrix24.